From the beautiful flowers to the running waters, look at this beautiful hike. It's one of the most amazing hikes that I have done in this area. It's just amazing. The amount of freshness, the amount of water, the amount of nature, the wildflowers, the alpine tundra, and that's why it is so important to stay on the trail so that you get this wildlife a little chance to enjoy this nature also. It's important to take care of this environment, and whatever you bring, you take it back with you, because you don't want to leave any trace behind. Just enjoy the nature and leave it more pristine than what you got here when you came here.